interrupt our regular programming. This is a global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration, and United States Government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. The end is near. At approximately 2:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time, the twisted creatures have been reported to be in every country all around the world. The twisted creatures have seen attacking people and turning civilians into a twisted creature themselves, and they have been reported to send an asteroid named XHF472, and it is expected to impact Earth in the next 5 minutes. All attempts to take down these creatures, including cure the Ichor virus, have failed. Once this asteroid hits Earth, mega tsunamis will form. Mega earthquakes of 9.8 will occur, and the sun will be blocked for 5,000 years. There's nothing we can stop this situation from escalating any further. All world leaders, including the US President, have been killed and infected by the Ichor virus. There's no chance of surviving this cataclysmic situation. There's no place to hide. There's no reason to stay calm. If you want, go into panic mode. All residents in the United States, the rest of the world, are advised to gather your friends, family, and pets, and pray your final moments together. I have selected a quote from the Bible to be played on the air. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his one only Son, that whoever believeth in him should not perish, but have an eternal life. The national anthem will play for the final time of the emergency alert system. All broadcast will now cease transmission. Your government thanks for your cooperation, but this is the end as we know it. May God be with you all.